The world of project management is complex and intricate. Even the most experienced PMs can feel overwhelmed by the tangled network of interdependent tasks they need to deal with. But it doesn't have to be like this. BigPicture will boost your efficiency and ensure first-rate implementations across your organization, whether you're using Agile, Waterfall, or a blend of PM methodologies. Large organizations have it complicated. After all, it's quite a challenge to juggle multiple projects, portfolios, and programs. This is where our enterprise solution comes into play. No matter how many teams, goals, or deadlines you're managing, stay on top of your game with BigPicture Enterprise for more sophisticated infrastructure, added functionalities, and integrations.